Chelsea tampil impresif kala menjamu Barcelona di Stamford Bridge. Maresca melakukan rotasi dengan memainkan James sebagai gelandang tengah. Sementara Pedro Neto diplot sebagai ujung tombak The Blues. Estevao dan Garnacho tampil sejak menit awal. Chelsea berhasil menguasai pertandingan sejak awal, bahkan sempat mencetak gol melalui Enzo Fernandez. Namun gol tersebut dianulir bahkan tidak hanya sekali. Gol kedua Enzo pun dianggap terjadi offside dalam proses gol tersebut.
Chelsea corner prevented by Koundé. That's a great Fernandez. Barcelona fans enjoyed that. Getting into full flight, wanting the return. Free kick goes against Barcelona towards Fermin. The start of a rivalry that through towards Fermin Lopez.
I don't think there'll be any more.
As well, the player came into his view late. Looked off, was off. Fermin Lopez just behind Liverpool.
It's just those well-timed tackles. Just
Bounces through to Malo Gusto here, but it's going to be Chelsea's ball. 0-0, but blocked. Garnacho that he did the ball.
Garnacho and just gets his foot.
For James. Now to deliver. Really good ball into. It's not going to be a goal again.
Seeing who gets this. Does he
Chalobah.
touch it?
And a little bit of a roar of a.
Akhir dari kesalahan antisipasi lini belakang Barcelona. Tidak hanya di situ, menjelang turun minum bek Barcelona Ronald Araujo yang sebelumnya terkena kartu kuning mendapatkan kartu kuning keduanya yang terpaksa diusir oleh wasit. Hingga akhir babak pertama Chelsea unggul jumlah pemain dengan skor 1-0.
Players all over the field jumping for.
A short corner, and once they're there, should he have crossed it a little bit sooner? Absolutely think on it. Ball from a defensive perspective, but also go
That's James with it.
line that's so high from Barcelona. Brilliant.
Lamine Yamal. Arguing with the referee about the lap. There's Lamine. Beaten to it by. Lovely ball swept across. Which way now? Takes on Cucurella. A little bit of a false step there. This is turning two. Fermin Lopez. Torres to the left.
The ball, he's certainly been the one recovering them.
Cole Palmer watching on. He will Blovsky. Chalobah.
He's got his eyes on Chalobah. It's only a slight
Move that he needed. And Correa got there down to 10 players.
I think he wanted a foul, but
We're in a really good position here. Neto, Barcelona throw in. If he sees a tactical tweak that could be made. That's up. Enzo Fernandez, Pedro Neto, and then to compound things for
Hansi Flick's Barca getting cooked.
Memasuki babak yang kedua, Chelsea melakukan sejumlah pergantian pemain. Malo Gusto ditarik keluar digantikan Andre Santos. Membuat James kembali ke posisi aslinya. Sementara di menit ke-59 Delap masuk menggantikan Garnacho. Membuat Neto mengisi posisi Garnacho dan kini Delap menjadi ujung tombak The Blues. Menit 76 Neto ditarik keluar digantikan Jamie Gittens. Dan pergantian terakhir terjadi di menit ke-82, Estevao dan Reece James digantikan oleh George dan Joshua Acheampong.
done for the evening. Involved straight away. Oh, good try, good set. To Chelsea. 19 years old.
really led his...
And he's done well to turn and get onto that, but Correa's been terrific. It was Frenkie de Jong who had a bit of a grab. Maybe
Talk about that, we need to get the balance right between them.
Namanya di papan skor, sayang golnya tersebut dianulir oleh wasit. Karena kedapatan offside, bahkan memicu protes dari Enzo Maresca yang membuatnya diganhar oleh kartu kuning.
Nacho block yellow card after that Cucurella toss. I think that card was purely.
Chelsea berhasil menambahkan keunggulan lewat Estevao Willian di menit ke-55. Serta gol ketiga yang dicetak oleh Delap yang sempat terjadi perdebatan karena kedapatan offside.
It's such a tight angle.
3 Champions League games in a row. Just saying those two names makes
Could be great closer.
There's the other 18-year-old striking. Correa manages to succeed the throw in. Across the Atlantic. Lamine Yamal stopped again. From Estevao, who's Reece James offering his apologies. And comes Sanchez, Kubasi, Pedro Neto stopped.
To get beyond the defence, and it's brilliant. He couldn't quite get underneath it. It's a good save.
Os. Oh, and it was a.
No, he didn't. Again, it's just a mix-up from Barcelona. They
Take it out to Estevao.
through, and then it's just a poor ball back to.
In by Neto. He plays it to Delap. Is that 4 or 5? I've lost count.
And as the ball goes through, but it's brilliant from Neto because he plays it to Delap. But yeah, I think again
It won't be given, or will it? It will be given. Liam Delap has
goal and it's a calm finish into the court.
from his starting lineup.
Is it Balde? Isn't it? It's his.
Estevao tampil cemerlang dan menjadi sorotan. Golnya tersebut menjadi gol ketiganya yang berhasil dia cetak secara beruntun di ajang Liga Champions.
Fernandes is onto the ball. Fernandes just beaten to it. I think he was waiting. Pep Guardiola's Barcelona teams. He later went on to, probably as most top bosses do. Good Chelsea player, doesn't
Yeah, it has to be. Do you know?
Sampai peluit akhir dibunyikan, skor tidak berubah. Chelsea berhasil meraih 3 poin dengan skor akhir 3-0.
On the start again. The night. What a performance. Cucurella ball in caused chaos.
The league and the champion.
We said it all, the world champion, club world.
Dengan kemenangan ini Chelsea sementara menduduki peringkat 7 klasemen dengan 3 laga sisa menghadapi 2 wakil Italia Atalanta dan Napoli serta 1 wakil dari Spurs yaitu Pafos FC. Estevao menjadi top skor sementara Chelsea di ajang Champions League dengan torehan 3 gol. Dilansir dari laman Skor 90, Estevao berpeluang besar untuk memenangkan gelar Golden Boy tahun depan atau tahun 2026 jika dia tetap konsisten. Untuk memenangkan gelar Golden Boy tersebut, ada beberapa syarat tertentu, yaitu pemain yang lahir tahun 2006 atau setelahnya. Estevao lahir pada tahun 2007. Pemain juga harus bermain di Liga Top Eropa dan pemain tidak dapat memenangkan penghargaan tersebut sebanyak 2 kali atau lebih. Terima kasih Blues sudah menonton video ini. Jangan lupa like dan subscribe. Keep the blue flag flying high.